How do you say spring?
Primavera.
How do you say driver?
Motorista.
How do you say yellow?
Amarelo.
How do you say buy?
Comprar.
How do you say baker?
Padeiro.
How do you say passion fruit?
Maracujá.
How do you say dolphin?
Golfinho.
How do you say mustache?
Bigode.
How do you say slap?
Tapa.
How do you say green?
Verde.
How do you say wonderful?
Maravilhoso.
How do you say brother?
Irmão.
How do you say frog?
Sapo.
How do you say lawyer?
Advogado.
How do you say 13?
Treze.
How do you say book?
Livro.
How do you say late?
Tarde.
How do you say grape?
Uva.
How do you say sleep?
Dormir.
How do you say knowledge?
Conhecimento.
How do you say sunglasses?
Óculos de sol.
How do you say baby?
Bebê.
How do you say seaweed?
Alga.
How do you say toothpaste?
Pasta de dente.
How do you say face?
Rosto.
How do you say cherry?
Cereja.
How do you say 20?
Vinte.
How do you say waiter?
Garçom.
How do you say son?
Filho.
How do you say bye?
Tchau.